Okay, hi everybody. I just got the Dune Deluxe edition and I thought I'd do another unboxing video. So here we go. Let's open it up. Dune the Deluxe edition by Frank Herbert. Yeah. Oh wow. Yep. Here it is. If I can get it out. God. Here it is, Dune, with Paul on the cover there, the spine, with blue edges here, of course. Okay, let's look at the book itself first. Here you can see fear is the mind killer engraved here. You can feel the letters here. The spine, beautiful. Dune, Frank Herbert. Back here is the circle. And here, the end paper here. You can see the worm there. There's the font. You can see that, yeah. Now let's see, are there any illustrations in here? No, there are no illustrations within the book, no. So, here are the first pages. Contents, introduction, okay. Yeah. Let's look at the dust jacket. Picture of Frank Herbert here. And inside here you can see, I guess it's Johnny you can see there. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a closer look here. Yeah. So yeah, the deluxe edition. Beautiful book. Yeah. Okay, take care.